we've got another video. We're flying a helicopter. So up he is. Oh, I'm losing my grip. There it is. That's like 10 meters over the ground. I'm spinning. Well, this is from my point of view. Maybe a little low because I've got a stick up. And it's flying. Oh, and it crashes. My dad's flying it today. Say hi, Dad.
Hi, Dad.
You mean hi, my channel.
Hello, everyone.
Yeah. So we're going to fly this again. We're just swapping batteries. There it is. It's about to happen. 3, 2, 1. Launch off! There it is, up in the air again! And it's flying up. And I don't know how it's flying in such breezy winds in Gisborne today.
That doesn't like that battery, that one's flat.
Yep, battery flat. Bad battery.
Try a different one.
Yep, try a different one.
2 left.
2 left.
Repeat everything I say.
Yep, repeat everything he says. Beep, 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 beep. Oh, take off! That is high. That is so high. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. That helicopter is so high. What? Did you just see that? It literally was like 30 meters high and it didn't drop. I'm really sorry if you're not seeing a helicopter, but you just hear my voice and you see the sky. But yeah, my camera's really rubbish and I'm holding with one hand, but now I'm just going to try and hold with 2. And we're getting the helicopter. I'm zooming in, everyone. There it is. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Alright, I'm going to zoom out, zoom in. Zoom in. That, I can't even see that properly on cam. Oh, shoot. Oh, God. Oh, God, I thought that was going to crash. Where is it? Oh, come on, mozzies. Come on. Ah! Ah! That nearly crashed. Oh, it looks like you dented it a bit, Dad.
It's alright, it's had a few crashes.
Yeah. We've had this one for a few years. Maybe 3. Whoa! We haven't flown this in a while, haven't we, Dad?
No.
No. And there it is, down.
These batteries haven't been charged since before we went overseas, so
Yeah.
they haven't got much power in them.
Yep, 18 months, no fly. How many batteries is that? 5, 6? And I think this is our last flight.
It is.
Yep, last flight shall be. And once it is about to crash, I'll just say subscribe, like the video, and we'll crash you into a helicopter next time. Bye. But we're not ending yet. Alright, we're going, we're going, we're going. Whoa, dive, bye. And crash. Oh, and up. My poor dogs, they're like, what the heck is happening? Why do I see these big things, this flying thing in the air? It looks like a big fat wasp. I'm really sorry if you're not getting this helicopter, but it's because that just dunked into the window, guys.
Oh. Alright, that'll do. That's all from me.
That's, oh,
No,
wait.
one more.
One more flight and then we'll crash into the mud hole. Oh, shoot!
Whoops.
That just went right, hit the
That's alright.
thing.
That's all I got.
That's all we've got. So, thanks everyone, and I'm really sorry if you just see a nose or a cheek or anything of my body part. Yeah.
Pick up your stuff, mate.
Alright, so I'm going to end the video here, and we've got loads of paper planes lying around from my last video, and I guess I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Oh, wait, subscribe. Try to hit 13 subscribers, and keep it up, share the videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!